Good afternoon, companions and tutor. Then I will make a tour of the municipality of Zipaquirá. Let's start. Municipality of Zipaquirá is a city in the Cundinamarca department, Sabana Centro Province, Colombia. It is one of the most important salt exploitation centers in the country, which is it is also known as the salt capital of Colombia. Important facts: Zipaquirá enjoys a mountain climate because it is located and approximately with generals an average temperature of 11.5 in the city, which is classified as cold weather. Number 2. It is a cultural reference that allows to know information about the indigenous population, the Muiscas, who live on the edge of the hill and considerate salt as a sacred element that was used in sacred rituals. It was used to entertain and rejoice their goods, as well as a precious good that was used to buy goods. Day 1 tour. Day 1. Tour start time 8 o'clock. Enjoy the fierce architectural wonder of Colombia, the Salt Cathedral, Zipaquirá, and discover the main squares of the colonial city. Then lest you serve be amazing by Bogotá, a vibrant cultural, historical, and heritage metropolis. Tour end time 6 o'clock. We pick you up at your hotel of or place of accommodation, and from there we take you to Zipaquirá. Number 2. Start time of the tour 8 o'clock. We will accompany you to the entrance of the mine, where the visit to the cathedral begins. The beautiful cathedral, carved entirely in salt, is unique in this kind and present its visitors with an unparalleled majesty. Under one is a place far from everyday life that invites reflections and an internal encouragement with the spiritual part. Tour and time 6 o'clock. And the day 3 later we will visit the Plaza de la Independencia and the Plaza de Arms of Zipaquirá, with one of the oldest churches in Colombia. From the center of Zipaquirá, we return to Bogotá. We will learn about the recent history in the tour that will take you through the oldest streets of this city. Climb to above sea level and enjoy the beautiful panoramic view of Bogotá from the top of the Montserrat hill and the walking tour trunk on in Bogotá La Candelaria. We will also visit the Botero Art Museum of the Gold Museum on the tour the historic heart of Bogotá, the Plaza de Bolívar. Tour end time 6 o'clock. Thanks. Bye bye.